Hello all my loves, welcome to my channel. For this tutorial I have used the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I really hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button before we get into this tutorial. I will wait 2 seconds so you can click that button there. Okay, it's done. All right, let's get into this tutorial. To prime my lids, I will use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair, and for today's look I'm using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and for transition color I will be using the color Zulu from the palette, and I will be packing this color until I am satisfied with the way it is looking. And to intensify my crease, I will go in with this other brown shade. The name of the shade is Fulani. And on the middle of my eyelids, I will be using this shimmery shade named Dahia, I think. Dahia, yeah. And on the outer part of my eyelids, I will go in with this hot pink color named Bori. And on the inner part of my eyelids, I will go in with this beautiful champagne color named Giza, I think. Yeah, Giza. I will go back in with the color Dahia in the middle because I felt like I've lost some of this color. And after that, I will be blending the hot pink shade Bari more so it blends well with the color on the middle of my eyelids. For foundation today, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the color Coconut, and I will be blending this out using my Real Techniques sponge. For concealer, I will go in with the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the color Neutral Light Medium. And basically, I'm putting this concealer under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Oh, also on my upper lips. To contour, I will go in with the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the color Deep. And I'm adding the brown shade on my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. And I will be blending this out using my e.l.f. brush. Now that my contour is all well blended, I will go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte powder to set my highlighted areas. To set the rest of my face, I will go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the color Dark. To contour today, I will go in with the Nicka K Contour Duo, and I will be contouring, well, not contouring, but setting all the parts that I cream contoured. Now I'm coating my lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. To highlight my face, I will go in with the color Casablanca mixed with Dahlia, and I will highlight my cheekbones, well, the upper part of my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow. Oh yeah, and now I'm going back to my eyes to finish my lower lash line. I will go in with the Bory Hot Pink eyeshadow, and in my inner tear dot I have used the color Giza. Now I'm using my mascara, and for lips today I'm using the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick Matte in the color Stormy Pink. And that's it for this look. Alright, so this is the final look. So I really hope you did enjoy this video. I've used one of my favorite colors of all time, which is pink. And yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please click the like button, because you know it will support my channel. Lets me know that you did enjoy this video. And thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on my next one. Mwah.